Alright, I think everything's ready. Cleaned up about as good as old junk box can clean. Hope they like it. Got the chairs out, cars outside, looking pretty. Oh, hey guys, how you doing? I'm glad you came to the party too. Sort of a little celebration of sorts. Primarily friends of the channel, friends and relatives of Ralph, the guy that owns the MGA. And they want to come by, see the MGA, see the final results pretty much, and the Airstream. You know, that's part of their history too, so they like to check that out. So we're gonna have some hamburgers and hot dogs, and Google Eyed at the car. Hopefully they like it. But you're gonna see my good friend Alvin Jones. He's gonna pop in, help me clean the car up, final buff it. Well, it didn't really final buff it, but we cleaned it real good and waxed it. And got some overspray off of it and all that. So I don't know, here it is. We'll show you some party footage here later on too.
Killed a snake. I killed a snake. I didn't want to, but he just looked so damn creepy. I killed a snake.
I believe you on that, but I'm like, all right.
We're going with that.
I'm going. I didn't say that. I'm like, yeah, we're good.
So hey everybody, my buddy Alvin, cleaning the car up. Known Alvin since 16 years old.
Yep.
You heard me tell the stories about the dumb stuff we were doing. It was his idea.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're going to put a coat of wax on this and see how it looks. Let's see if we can get it done. If not, we'll just skip stuff. It's cool. Still a big mess. Haven't been out here. You know, I've been thinking on this whole situation, you know, so I guess we'll deal with that. Don't know. Anyhow, glad you guys decided to hang out again. I didn't scare you at the last one, huh? Let's try again. I bet I'll scare you this time. Well, it's still a mess. Like I was saying, really what I want to do is get the brakes back on this MGA type thing. Suspension hooked back up, wheels and tires on it, put it outside. Hey everybody, sure glad you came back to hang out a little bit. Yep, transmission time. This is the 4-speed of the manual type. It appears that I might have to do some cleaning. See now Ralph's camera shy. Yeah. There you go. There's Andy. Yeah. Say welcome back, Junks Automotive. Deja vu. Yep. Almost 2,000 subscribers. Almost 2,000 subscribers. Do some more paint stripping. Do some more paint stripping. Wait, God. Oh. Hey, everybody. Well, that was embarrassing. Another guy gave a seat for the MGA. Yeah. They were mixed up, match.
It was better than what we had.
Yeah.
So that she said it made a huge difference. So. Well, they look like about to bring that dinner tray out of the thicker with it.
Get it
You know. I mean, mine didn't say so.
Set my mom's phone.
Mike's side for me.
You know, broke a rotor button.
What's he doing?
He's trying to get in the frame. You might have to do that a little bit more.
I'll scoot back a little bit.
Well, now you're good. You stay there.
There I am.
Yeah.
Seen your fishing sign before?
You like it?
Yeah. I just don't know how, well, because this thing's usually up.
Yeah.
Now that grandma's gone.
What?
Now that grandma's gone.
I zoomed right in on Stuart and just then he went. Right, got the side profile.
I guess I haven't been out here for a long time. Boy, this place is
Yeah.
sure sharpened up since I was there.
I don't know if that's the word I'd use.
Well, yeah.
The last hanger-ons.
You finally got it.
Finally fed them. Yeah.
Looks like you did a good job.
Did head gaskets on his Equinox 3.
I think I did. Oh.
Look at these people.
Is this back window as big as it's supposed to be? Or is it bigger?
Same window.
So this back window opening is the same?
Yes. As a two-door. It's exactly the same.
The 4 and 2 doors are the same?
Yep. Plan is decide I'm going to go ahead and get this part done, roll the car outside, clean up a little bit, turn it around, bring it back in, put the body back on it temporarily so I can put this whole shebang over there. And then I've got room to work on Airstream stuff. Tell Lita, hey,
it's in there. Is that in there like the X-File?
What's that? What's this thing? Truth is out. The truth is out there. The truth is out there. That's right. Never watched that show. That's one I always try to do. That's one I was like, I love the fucking motor. The interior is fantastic. Yeah, I got that.
Oh, I never noticed that on these things. What's that called here?
This is the water jacket.
Okay.
Yeah, it's coming out around the cylinders you can see here. Valves are all over there under the spark plug. And you got to take the inner fender out to adjust the valves.
Holy shit.
And I've got one, this engine block I saved out of another car I had. I ended up putting a 6-cylinder engine. I kept blowing this up because in that car
now.
6 years.
Well, I've got a 50. You know.
Yeah.
You know what I mean.
Now they can go 20 years on the body. Like a new Chrysler 300 can go by 20 years.
Really just change the plastic around a little bit.
So they made trying to make a compact car, which wasn't great and wasn't what they needed. They just needed to make it, but they merged with Nash.
I was gonna say, I remember they nerds with Nash.
Oh, just a little down to the very
I had
back.
a 60 sedan to build. It was a pain in the ass.
Yeah, you still got to jack it all the way up to get it coming out.
Seems in really good shape.
It is.
Is it from Texas?
It might be. I don't know. You have to
Got
ask him.
Texas plate on the front.
Brian's got.
Yeah. Must have originally been constructed.
That's what I'm guessing.
Yeah.
How nice it is.
Yeah, exactly.
Came off easier and it go on.
Huh?
It came off easier and it goes on.
They always do, especially when you're drunk. Let's go see the whiskey bottle again.
Let's go see the whiskey bottle again.
I'll get this figured out.
All right. Well, that was a pretty good party, I think. And it is a couple days later. Yeah, a good party. A couple days recuperation, you know. So, the little green bean racing machine, it went off like a rock star. It really did good. Everybody was happy with it. Took turns sitting in it. Everybody was really pleased. Beautiful car. I had some really good, you know, good words told to me about me building this car, and I really appreciate it. So it's still going to hang around a little bit here and there. No more big videos on it unless Ralph and I take it for a trip, which is kind of in the works and might possibly happen. We'll see. But I've got a couple little things, and before it's out of here, you might see it in passing here and there, right? But stick around, because next week, hopefully, in a couple videos, episodes of the show here, we're going to put a dent in this 57 Chevy. No pun intended. But we're gonna kick butt on it. We're gonna get this thing going, get some body work done, have a blast, right? So do me a favor, share the videos, share the channel with some friends or somebody who'd really be interested in this sort of thing. And because we're stepping things up with this one over here, just telling you, I want you to be there for it, and I want you to have your friends there for it too. More the better, right? Remember, if any of this was easy, everybody'd be doing it. Peace. We'll see you guys next week. Thanks for coming by for the party. Man, might ought to cut my hair too.